guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Omnia, this is OmneyasWish, and I'm going to be using these from Sparkle & Co. There's one color too much. I think I'm going to remove the green and use this, like this. Use this one as the green instead. Yeah, I was going to leave this one out. I didn't even have this one out. And on my nails, I got these little, these are the medium apres stiletto or almond, I'm not sure. And I got one coat of got milk from Double Dipped. Oh god, I'm such a mess. I already got that on there, and yeah, I think I'm gonna try to do like two colors, that gradient, ombre, whatever, two colors on each nail, have it go right across, and I'm gonna start this color, but over here, and run it backwards. Do a rainbow this way on my nails, and got all my new fluffy brushes that I got from Shein, and yeah, wish me luck, because this will be sped up. I am going to use gel liquids, because I'm just too slow for the dip liquids for this to even work. And these have like flaky things, iridescent shit that's going to be flying everywhere. So I'll remove the green now, get that out of the way, and I will get started. And like as always, I'll probably do a voiceover and speed it up because I'm slow. So that's it. I'll see you at the end.
So hello. Alright, I just want to explain a few things. I start off a little slow here. Well, I'm slow through the whole video. I mean, like sped up, I will speed this up. There's no way in hell that I would have been able to do this with dip liquids, because I was struggling trying to pick up the product. You'll see the dip powders with these fluffy brushes. It was like it wasn't holding, and because it's like an iridescent, it was just, I was riding that struggle bus. And then the brushes were actually slipping out of my hand. They were slipping around. I was having a hard time tapping them, so thank God for the gel method. So I started out with the pink, which acts as the red, and the orange, and then I'm gonna go on the next finger from orange to yellow, and then I only do 2 nails at a time. And why is this so slow? I should have sped this up. Anyways, I think it gets sped up in a minute. I should have gone on the second pass. I'm trying to figure out a way to hold my hand. Oh god, the dip base would have dried by now. It's painful. It's painful to watch, man. It's painful. But yeah, thank God for gel. So what I'm trying to say, but the words aren't coming to me, is after I'm done with this nail and I cure it, and I come and I go to do the second pass on these 2 nails, I should have started out, like maybe started on this finger and started with the yellow and then did the orange. Which way did I start? Anyways, you're supposed to do the opposite. If you start on one color, you're supposed to start on the color, the next color. Like right now, I should have started with orange instead of the pink. You know, like the inside of the nail. I don't know if I'm making sense. Only somebody who does this vertical ombre thing will know what I'm talking about with this tap method thing. Like I should have started with the orange. I am being nitpicky. I mean, it comes out, it looks nice in the end, but yeah, I just wanted to mention that I am aware of that mistake, and I realized it while I was doing it, and I don't do it again with the rest of the nails. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in and let you know about that. And yeah, just got some music playing, and I did my intro, and I'll give my final thoughts at the end, and that's about it. It's pretty plain and simple. It took me like 26 minutes in all to get these all dipped out, which I think is pretty darn good for me, and considering it was a vertical ombre, which is something I can't do. I'm not a master of it. Yeah, I was tooting right along there. There, now we're gonna speed up. And yeah, I think that's all I needed to let you know. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, I should have, in hindsight, I should have did a third pass just for the opacity, but I still think it was pretty in the end. It's on my hand. I'm not hating it. I really like it, and I'm not really big on like rainbows. I find them busy. It's like a lot of color for me at one time. I like colors of the rainbow, just a whole rainbow on me. I don't think I've ever done a mani like this before. So yeah, so instead of just sitting here going and I'm just gonna leave you alone and let you watch the rest of it. There's some music on, and enjoy, and let me know what you think down below. Bye.
Okay, this is it. I probably could have done another pass, but I didn't want to bulk up the nails. The white underneath helped because this is pretty translucent. I did go over it with 2 coats of base coat, so I could file and buff and reshape and all that, because it did kind of blow out, so I had to reshape. I added my cuticle oil. I tried stamping on it. The stamping gods were against me. So I'm leaving it like this. I think it looks cute. Like, yeah. So happy Pride Month. Remember, don't be a douche, man. Just let people love who they want, present how they want. You know, mind your own fucking business. Basically, if you don't got nothing nice to say, don't say a goddamn thing at all. Just mind your own damn business. So sick of these fucking haters that just hate on people. So, yeah, that's my little rant, and this is my little rainbow of pride, and, yeah, no bling. So tell me what you think down below. Remember to like, subscribe to all that YouTube shit, guys, and have a good one. Bye!